Children, I am R. Pandey, and today I have to discuss about chapter 3 of social science. Chapter 3 is celebrating our diversity. What is the meaning of diversity? Meaning of diversity is difference of language, difference of religion, difference of regions, difference of festival, difference of custom and tradition. You know that in India, the people are living, they are of different religion, they are of different language, different custom, different festivals are celebrated here. So in this chapter we have to discuss about the celebration of the diversity of India. In your book, the diversity is presented in entire DAV school, and so the entire DAV school was beautifully decorated with flags, flowers and rangoli. The principal and the head girl were greeting the guest. Some children were applying tilak and welcoming everyone respectfully. The school band was playing a welcome tune. The school was organizing an inter-house celebration, and the theme of celebration was the Indian culture. There are 6 houses in the school, and they are presenting the unique diversity of our country. The 6 houses are, in these 6 houses, one house is Hansraj house. Hansraj house is presenting Ganesh Chaturthi. The house captain narrated that Ganesh or Vinayak Chaturthi is dedicated to birth of Lord Ganesh. You know, Lord Ganesh, he is dedicating the god of beginning, knowledge, success, wisdom and remover of obstacles. Festival is celebrated generally in the month of August or September. Mainly this festival is celebrated in Maharashtra and southern part of India. In this celebration, people buying the idol of Ganapati from the market. The images were taken home, worshipped with kumkum, flower, fruits and sweets. After the celebration, the images were taken out in procession for Visarjan. What is the meaning of Visarjan? The meaning of Visarjan is immersion into a river or sea. The children chanted Ganpati Bappa Moria, Puchya Varsi Lukaria. What is the meaning of this slogan? Meaning of this slogan is that Father Ganpati come again soon next year. in Do You Know, in your chapter, this Do You Know is very important. Always it come in your half yearly and annual examination. The great freedom fighter named Lokman Bal Gangadhar Tilak, he made Ganesh Utsav a public celebration by inculcating a pride for Indian culture, music, poetry and dance.